like to share one practice with you today that may help you stay creative while you're at home. It's a daily doodle. Even if it's just a few minutes of doodling every day, it feels awesome when you end up with a collection of doodles over time. And all you need for this is a paper and a pencil, or a pen or marker, whatever you want to draw with. I like to have a starting point, and this week I decided that my starting point would be the letters that spell the word care. So I'll start with C today, and then I'll do A tomorrow, R the next day, and then E on the fourth day. This way I can also look back at the words I was thinking about at this particular time in my life, and it'll be kind of like a journal. So I'm going to start by doing the letter C, like I said, because that's for care. So day one is C. And I'm just going to turn this into a doodle. I just try to keep my hands moving. I try not to think about it or overthink it too much because it's just a doodle and it doesn't need to be perfect or look realistic or anything. That's the beauty of a doodle. There. And I'm going to put the letter C down here because sometimes when you're done with the doodle, it's hard to know what you started with. So that's what I drew today. So I went ahead and I did the drawing for C, A, R, and E, and this is what it came out to. So you can see that I did the C today, and then the A is the one where I have a tent and I'm fishing with my little flimsy fishing rod and my peach trees. And then on the R, I really didn't know what to do, so I just wanted to keep my hands moving, so it's like some weird character. And E is a little hermit crab. So I hope that you all can do this too and think about your own word to use as a starting point, or maybe your name. And if you'd rather not use a word and use a shape or a random scribble as your starting point, that's fine too. So hope you enjoy. Thanks.